Coconuts have been treasured for centuries, not just for their tropical allure, but for the remarkable health benefits they offer. From the soft, white flesh to the refreshing water within, this unique fruit is packed with nutrients and has become a staple in many cultures around the world. But what's the real power behind coconuts? And how can you harness their potential for your health and well-being? Coconut water is nature's own sports drink, loaded with electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium that help rehydrate and revitalize the body. It's low in calories, naturally sweet, and free from added sugars or artificial flavors, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay hydrated, especially after a workout or long day in the sun. Beyond hydration, studies have shown that coconut water may help support healthy blood pressure levels and promote kidney health, thanks to its unique blend of minerals and antioxidants. But the benefits don't stop there. Coconut oil, extracted from the flesh of mature coconuts, has gained global attention for its versatility and impressive health profile. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, fats that are easily digested and quickly converted into energy by the body. Some research suggests that MCTs can support weight management, boost metabolism, and enhance cognitive function. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help support the immune system and promote healthy skin. Coconut meat, whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or shredded, offers its own set of benefits. Rich in fiber, it supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can keep you feeling fuller for longer. It's also a good source of healthy fats, vitamins, and essential minerals like manganese and copper, which play vital roles in energy production, bone health, and antioxidant defenses. In traditional medicine, various parts of the coconut have been used to soothe ailments and promote healing. Coconut-based products feature natural remedies for skin conditions like eczema and dryness, while coconut oil has been praised for its moisturizing properties and ability to protect against environmental damage. Even the husk and shell of the coconut have their uses, from natural scrubbing tools to sustainable craft materials. The versatility of coconut extends to the kitchen as well. Coconut milk and cream add richness and flavor to countless dishes, from savory curries to sweet desserts. Coconut flour, made from the dried meat, is a gluten-free alternative that provides extra fiber and a subtle sweetness to baked goods and smoothies. No matter how you incorporate it, coconut brings a delicious taste of the tropics and a host of nutritional benefits to the table. Choosing the right coconut products is important for maximizing health benefits. Opt for extra virgin coconut oil, organic coconut water without added sugars, and minimally processed coconut milk. Reading labels and sourcing products responsibly helps ensure you're getting the most pure and beneficial forms of coconut for your diet and lifestyle. Despite its many advantages, it's important to enjoy coconut in moderation, especially for those who are watching their saturated fat intake or have specific dietary needs. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help determine how coconut best fits into your individual health plan. Ultimately, coconut's power lies in its combination of nourishment, versatility, and cultural significance. Whether you're sipping coconut water on a hot day, using coconut oil for cooking, or adding shredded coconut to your morning oatmeal, you're benefiting from a tradition of wellness that spans generations. Discover for yourself how this extraordinary fruit can support your health and bring a little taste of paradise to your everyday life. If you found these insights helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on natural health, nutrition, and well-being. Share your favorite ways to use coconut in the comments below.